Hey there, how are you? There are a few ways to trigger a flow from Dynamics 365 and model driven Power App. One is using the when a record is selected Dataverse trigger. Another is updating a value in a column and using the when a row is modified, but both can be a bit clunky and not very user-friendly. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a custom page to trigger a flow while making sure the user is fully aware of the whole process. In this scenario, the user wants to notify another system or another user that a support case needs to be invoiced. To do this, the user needs only to press a button, review the information, and possibly provide extra context in the note well. When done, the user needs only to click confirm. Let's take a look at the setup. Let's start with the flow. The trigger will be Power Apps, and you can add as many inputs as needed. In our scenario, we want to know what case we are working with, the billable time, and also the notes the user may provide. With these inputs, you can send a notification or call on some other service depending on your use case. Then we can build the custom page. Go to your solution, click New App Page. In this scenario, we will be bringing in the subject of the support case, the billable time, and allow for entering some note. For this to work, you will need to add some code to the app's own start to retrieve the ID of the record you are working with. I'll leave a link to a video with more on this. Also, add a button to submit and provide the inputs you have defined in the flow you have just configured. Notice that this is done with PowerFX and all its goodness is available to you. Finally, remember to use containers as you will want this to be responsive. With a custom page done, you now need a new button. Edit your app and look for the table you are working with. In our scenario, it's the case table. Click to edit the command bar and select main form. From here, you can click to add a new command. The button we've used it's here, it's this invoice button, and please notice that you can add some logic, PowerFX logic on the visibility property. In our scenario, only a case that is closed can be sent for invoice. What you want to do when you click this button is run some JavaScript to call on the custom page you have just built in the previous step. Again, a link to a video on custom page. And that's it. A flow, a custom page, and a button that make for a good user experience. And that's always worth the effort. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!